Being curious about growing plants in containers, many of us think you need huge plots of land, but let me share a simple method for you to succeed every time. Hello, welcome back. Today is not just about gardening, it is about possibility. What you see here may look like an ordinary cement bag, but to me it is not. It is a growing space full of potential. I fill it with fertile topsoil mixed with well-mineralized cow dung because healthy plants begin with healthy soil. So as I finish filling the cement bags, as I open the bag, we have to create small holes for air to move freely. With this action, I'm also reminded that plants are very much like people, right? They need room to breathe, to expand, and to grow. Without air, the roots will struggle, but with air, the plant will thrive. So I pour water after I pour the water gently because growth is not forced. You cannot force it. You have to nurture it. So just like the roots that need time to establish, everything that grows well takes patience. Now, let's transplant the tomato seedlings. You see these tomato seedlings, it was raised with care. You also know that after sowing tomato from seeds, it usually takes about 14 to 21 days before the seedlings are ready for transplanting. Okay, I told you. Now you know. At this stage, they have developed strong stems and visible roots. That is after 14 to 21 days of sowing. So, it is a sign that they are mature enough to move to their permanent growing space. As I placed each seedling into the soil, if you can see the way I'm doing it, I'm handling it with care. That is to avoid damaging the root. Yes, to reduce transplanting shock, because successful transplanting depends on how gently you treat the plant at this critical stage. I then mulched around the plant. This is to conserve moisture, to reduce the heat around, and to protect the soil structure. If you look around, we have more than 20 containers of cement bags, all that we have transplanted with tomatoes. This is a proof that farming does not require acres of land. It requires creativity, consistency, and commitment. Here, now, if you look at it, this is an old tire, like big cars tires, something many will call a waste. We transformed it into a productive space for Chinese cabbage. This is what we plant here. We planted Chinese cabbage, fill it with rich growing media, transplant the seedlings, and we mulch again to maintain moisture and suppress weeds. Every step you see here, preparing the soil, creating aeration, watering, transplanting, up to mulching, all represent patience, effort, and hope. Just like farming, success in life does not happen overnight. It grows steadily with care and persistence. And to the women, my people, watching, especially those who feel limited by lack of land space around them, let this be your sign. Start where you are, with what you have. Even the smallest space can become something big.